All right, we're on Colossus at Six Flags Qiddiya. It's the GCI wooden coaster. It is absolutely brilliant. This will be my third ride. This will be my third ride on it so far. Got a front row right at golden hour. It is beautiful here, and this is an incredible wooden coaster. I'm so excited to get on this again. Just got off of 2 rides on Falcon's Flight, and it's going over its top hat right now. They're pushing trains out, just beautiful. But I'm focused on this right now. What a brilliant layout that ride has. It's so good. The best forces I've ever felt on a GCI. It's so good. Masterpiece, man. One of the best wooden coasters in the world. I love it. I love it so much. I can't wait to get as many rides on that thing as I can today. This lineup is stacked, man. It's stacked. So good.